Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, I've got another update for you from Uganda. The team has been giving out the food parcels, the iftar parcels that you have generously been donating. And alhamdulillah, there's some great work being done. Now, if you look at the living conditions of our brothers and sisters in Uganda, some of them are really struggling. So they need your help. Please keep donating. And remember, just for £90, you can sponsor 3 families for the whole of Ramadan. So keep sending in the money, and inshallah ta'ala, it will be distributed as you can see in this video. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are in another camp, slums, you want to call them. You can see the conditions behind me. Devastating, devastating. I've actually never seen anything like this in my life. Never seen anything like this. Again, Task Force GLM is making a difference. When Ramadan's coming up, just 2 weeks to go to Ramadan. Ramadan is fast approaching, my brothers and sisters. We need to make a difference. Alhamdulillah, this is a food pack from Task Force GLM. And this is what you guys have donated towards. We need you guys to carry on supporting Task Force GLM. They're making an amazing difference, a big impact on the people behind me. Many of these haven't had food packs for such a long time. You're making a big difference, my brothers and sisters. Please carry on supporting. £90, 3 families for up to 1 month. You know what to do. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.